This tutorial is for those of us that, one way or the other, we don't like to wait. We just want to learn things quickly. And as you can see, my Affinity photo, the toolbar or the tools is not showing. Let me quickly import a picture. You see, my tools is not showing. I have screwed up my workspace. So I want to teach you 2 ways you can actually get back your tools in Affinity Photo. Okay, so to do that, the first way is here. You close down your Affinity Photo. I'm going to close down my Affinity Photo 3. This is Affinity Photo 3. So close it down. We have to open it, but opening it now, you have to hold down Control. If you're on Windows, you have to hold down Control. I think on Mac, you hold down Command, Alternative, and Space. I think, I don't really know. But on Windows, you hold down Control. So let's open Affinity Photo, holding down Control. So it's opening. So as you can see, it showed the logo at the same time. Immediately, it brought up this menu. It says clear user data. Clear user data. So anything you click here, you see, I'm scrolling down, there are a lot of things here. Anything you click here, you just come to clear. It will clear it off and reset your workspace or your Affinity Photo back to default. As you can see, we are on Affinity Photo 3, the new one, the free new one by Canva. Yeah, that's where we are now. So now I need my toolbar. So, but for me to, okay, yeah, this is it, 2 presets. Look at it here. Third to the last. Look at it here. Yeah, I've clicked on it. Yeah, so I click clear. Let's just give it a few seconds. Yeah, so as you can see, the Affinity Photo just loaded now, as you can see. So let's confirm if our toolbar is fixed. And voila, look at it. It's actually fixed. Look at our toolbar. Let me bring back that image. You see, we have fixed it. It is back. It is back. So now, let me show you the second way. So the second way is actually in this the app itself, the interface. So let me disable this first of all. You right click on any of the two, then you see here, show. Just click on show, it will go off, or you click on dock. You see, it is out. So I'm showing you another extra thing. So it is out, you dock it there. So you right click on, if you right click outside, it will not work. You have to right click on the two, any of the two, then you dock it back, then you click here, show. So we've mistakenly removed it. So how can we bring it back? This is the second way. The second way is to go to view, then you come down to tools. Look at it here, tool, then you click on show. It is back. So this tutorial is short and precise. I'll be bringing more of this kind of tutorial to you. Affinity Photo is the way to go. Right now, it is completely free. The best alternative to Photoshop. It is completely free. So I might do a tutorial on this lady, how to retouch the lady. So if you want this tutorial, come to my comment section and drop your comments so I will know how to continue helping out with this new software tutorial. I have one more thing, a quick one. If you want to duplicate this workspace, you see, it's just one workspace here. If you want to duplicate it, so let me dock it back. If you want to duplicate it, come to view, then you come to new view. Can you see it? New view here, you click on it. So it's now 2. Come here, you see? So let me zoom 1 so that you understand. I'll zoom this one. So if I click here, can you see? It's now 2. So this is an easy way to duplicate your workspace. And this is actually very handy because Photoshop, I don't think Photoshop has something like this. You understand? Except you import it, you import the image back to Photoshop. So this is an easy one. So with time, I'll come up with the shortcut and every other thing. This app is still new, so stay tuned. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Bye for now.